Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a trip to Kamakura where we'll explore the lively Komachi-dori Shopping Street, visit the enchanting Kamakura Music Box Museum, and discover some amazing hidden gems along the way. Stay with us until the end, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Our first stop brings us to the stunning Zaimokuza beach, where Kamakura's natural beauty truly shines. The soft, sandy shore, gentle waves, and refreshing sea breeze create the perfect escape from the busy city. On clear days, you may even spot the majestic Mount Fuji rising on the horizon. Whether you're enjoying a peaceful stroll, listening to the sound of the waves, or simply taking in the breathtaking scenery, this beautiful beach is a must-visit destination when exploring Kamakura. Now we're entering the famous Komachi-dori Shopping Street, one of Kamakura's most vibrant and popular attractions. This lively street is lined with delicious local street food, traditional Japanese sweets, unique souvenir shops, and charming cafes. You'll also find the beloved Donguri Kyowakoku, the official Ghibli store, where fans can discover exclusive Studio Ghibli merchandise and collectibles. As we continue exploring, you'll see why Komachi-dori is a favorite stop for both locals and visitors looking to experience the heart and culture of Kamakura. We're now stepping into one of Kamakura's most popular matcha specialty shops, a must-visit for anyone who loves authentic Japanese green tea. Inside, you'll find an incredible selection of matcha delights, from soft and chewy warabi mochi to rich matcha ice cream and freshly made matcha dorayaki. The shop also offers a wide variety of traditional matcha sweets, each made to showcase the bold, earthy flavor that Japan is famous for. If you're a matcha lover, this is definitely a place you won't want to miss. Try the premium matcha ice cream, and it definitely didn't disappoint. Rich, creamy, and packed with authentic matcha flavor, it's absolutely delicious. Here's something fun. You can touch this sample mochi and actually feel its soft, squishy mochi texture. If you love Japanese sweets, this shop is full of beautiful candies that look almost too pretty to eat. This popular stall serves delicious octopus, squid, crab stick, and scallop skewers fresh off the grill. We couldn't resist trying the rich chocolate shaved ice and the famous Nama Gâteau Chocolat. Both are incredibly smooth and absolutely worth every bite. We're now at Sakura no Yumemiya, one of Komachi-dori's most popular Japanese sweets shops, famous for its colorful handcrafted dango. With seasonal flavors like Sakura, Matcha, Chestnut, and Zunda, these beautifully decorated rice dumplings are as eye-catching as they are delicious. It's the perfect place to enjoy an authentic Japanese sweet while exploring the lively streets of Kamakura. We tried the 4-flavor Dango: Sakura, Chestnut, Matcha, and Sweet Bean, along with the famous Sweet Goma Dango. They were soft, chewy, and absolutely delicious. This Chestnut specialty shop even offers free samples, so you can taste their sweet, premium chestnut treats before deciding what to buy. This popular shop serves freshly made fish cakes on a stick, a warm, savory snack that's perfect for exploring Komachi-dori. We're now entering the Kamakura Music Box Museum, where beautifully crafted music boxes and enchanting melodies create a truly magical atmosphere. Let's take a look inside. Inside the museum, you'll find charming music boxes featuring famous Disney characters, making this a magical stop for visitors of all ages. Let's listen to the beautiful melodies and hear what these charming music boxes sound like. They also have unique music boxes shaped like miniature furniture, vintage telephones, pianos, and even classic sewing machines, each one beautifully crafted with its own charming melody. We'll end our visit with the beautiful melody of this hand-cranked music box. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching!